Never put your finger in there. Yep, we're back in action. Ah, it's so wet. I'm gonna cut that. Fuck it. No trails are free. There's always a bit of maintenance. Can't see because the grass is so long. Bit of cross rutting. Just don't want to ride into a big unknown hole or something. Oh, like that. Oh, looks nothing, but they're just like big tufts. I'll tell you what, JW Tuning or JW Motorcycles has serviced the linkage on my bike, and the difference it's made is night and day. Oh, he's on the brash mat. Nice. So much easier to ride it than push it. It's loads easier to ride it than push it. Upside down. I reckon we just roll down it. If we get stuck, we get stuck. Like you said, we'll call it TV Hill. Fresh terrain. That's why you should have your bike running. Sorry about your helmet, man.
That's gonna be another video, that is.
Oh my god! Why is my bike steaming? Oh fuck me, my fan's come off. Back on the maintenance. Went in the jungle, lads. I went in the jungle. Ugh. I wonder, put that there. That'll do it, won't it? Be fine, won't it? We'll just go side to side, I reckon. Like one there, one there. There we go. And don't forget, always take your rubbish home. Come on, baby. I think that was it then. Never put your finger in there. Yep, we're back in action. Oh, cool. Oh. Whoa. Front end washed out then. This is overgrown as well. Whoa, big swap on. think maybe we call it a day there. Whoa, that was deeper than I thought. Yeah, that's the last one. Now, thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.